Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is Deegee Chef from the stables. We are doing a very interesting dish for us today. Stuffed zucchini boats on a bed of fresh garlicky basil and tomato sauce. Cut the zucchini through the center longitudinally and carefully remove the soft core. This will become a very flavorful stuffing which we will put it back into this boat in a bit. We now move on to chop the soft core that you have taken out from the zucchini center finely. In a similar manner, let's chop one whole onion, half a red capsicum, and 4 cloves of garlic. It could also be a very vegan dish, and that's a small variation that we could do sometime. In a hot pan, add 3 teaspoons of oil and some butter. Once sizzling, add 2 teaspoons of garlic. Follow that up with the chopped onions. Cook till translucent and soft. And then add the chopped core of the zucchini back into this pan. We will cook this for another 20 to 30 seconds. Check for seasoning, add salt and pepper now. Once the salt and pepper is mixed well, let's add the chopped capsicum into this mixture. We'll leave it a little crunchy al dente and then add the chopped paneer or cottage cheese. All this will come together very nicely. You will see it's still dry, and we want it like that because they need to go and sit into the pot. Some more salt. We will now assemble this. I check for seasoning all the time because the salt and pepper not only enhances the taste, it could also ruin the taste. So it's very important that we keep checking. With a spoon, let's fill the boats liberally, heaved up, so that once baked, you get this flavorful filling to your heart's content. We will create a quick sauce for the base. I've used a ready-made pizza sauce and topped that with fresh basil. So cut some basil, use a ready-made sauce or even a quick concasse with onion, garlic and tomatoes will work. Let's finish this with this sauce that we've made very quickly with tomato, garlic and basil. Place the boats on this sauce and then liberally douse it with grated cheese. I've used mozzarella, you could use anything that you like. A quick bake at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes will make this dish into an absolute winner for the table. It's never failed us. Hope you guys like it. And like I said, you could use a different cheese, and it's pretty much a great vegan option as well. We'll plate this on a bed of the sauce, and the zucchini there goes brilliantly with garlic bread toasted. Hope you guys like it. Give it a try. Cheers.